Broccoli pesto doesn't just sound healthy, it also tastes incredibly delicious. Today I show you how to prepare broccoli pasta, a quick and easy broccoli recipe packed with healthy ingredients that you can whip up in no time. First, remove the broccoli florets from the stalk. Don't worry, you don't have to toss it away, just set it aside. We'll use it later. Chop the florets into smaller pieces. It makes them easier to work with. The broccoli stalk is often underrated, but it's just as tasty as the florets. Cut it into small pieces as it's tougher and takes a bit longer to soften. This ensures everything cooks evenly, and in the end you'll have the perfect consistency for your pesto. Put everything in a pot of boiling water and blanch it for about 3 minutes. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables. It provides significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K and beta-carotene, as well as minerals like calcium, iron and copper. Now you'll need a bowl of cold water. Immediately cool the broccoli in cold water to stop the cooking process. Use rich pasta, as it holds the sauce better than smooth noodles. Salt the water and cook the pasta in the same liquid in which you cook the broccoli, so it will absorb all the flavor. Place the blanched broccoli in a blender. Now we're going to make a fresh, delicious pesto. You'll be surprised how easy it is and how great this pesto recipe will taste. Add a generous amount of olive oil. It's not only incredibly tasty but also one of the healthiest oils, packed with unsaturated fats and antioxidants. Add 3-4 cloves of garlic to the blender as well. This will give the pesto an intense, fragrant flavor. Add now 60 grams or 2 ounces of Parmigiano Reggiano, a natural flavor enhancer. The classic pesto recipe calls for pine nuts. However, we use 400 grams or 14 ounces of almonds. Season with a bit of pepper and don't forget to add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. When the pasta is al dente, transfer it to the pan. Blend all the ingredients together until you achieve a creamy consistency. But what exactly is pesto? It's a traditional sauce from northern Italy, where fresh ingredients are crushed in a mortar. The name pesto actually comes from the Italian word pestare, which means to crush. Look how wonderfully creamy it is. This is exactly how our pesto sauce should be. A little tip: add a bit of the pasta cooking water to make the pesto even creamier. The starch helps to perfectly bind the sauce. Mix everything thoroughly until the noodles have fully absorb the creamy pesto. Make sure each piece of pasta is well coated with the sauce, so you can enjoy the full flavor in every bite. Sprinkle a dash of pepper on top and add more salt if necessary. This enhances the flavors even more and ensures the perfect seasoning. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss checking out the classic broccoli pasta recipe as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.